Hi, my beautiful besties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Grace Mundlana. Grace Mundlana is recently trending just because she posted her ex-boyfriend and what's he ex-boyfriend like love of his life. And we all understood because she's mourning. But then we came across a post to Tiwa, oh, Sipozulu had a girlfriend and Grace Mundlana was overdoing everything, and she ended up not having boundaries umngcwabo wonke. UGrace should have acted as the ex. Besides ukuthi yena noSipho dated 5 years, solo kajola naye ana 18 years. Asinandaba. USipho recently had a girlfriend. Stop acting like you were dating. And this is so suspicious. I thought UGrace was still dating this guy because he began an anonymous boyfriend engafuni ukwaziwa. And yena she stated ukuthi uSipho she was protecting Usipo from a public eye. And ukai it is alleged ukuthi vele bangafuni relationship yabo yaziwe. Grace further on sent a viewant's message.
And had I not been a part of the funeral, there wouldn't be a funeral at all. And that's not things I tell to people to say, I pay for everything, I did this, that. That's not, because that's going to bring shame to the family. However, I just want to tell you that my intention of everything was not malicious, rather to just look up and move on with my life.
As being a girlfriend, like a Sipho, like the recent girlfriend, I'd be angry if I was. Because why is Grace acting so suspicious? Why is everything about Grace kule funeral? Everything is not about Umufi Manje. It's about Grace, Grace, Grace. And akapheli even 3 days angcwatshwe lo mfana, but like uthanda Grace. Like, why? We're not low-key hating on Grace. It's just that we felt like it's too much. Njengo-DJs endlini kasenza ku-AKA. It was not that too much. Beka poster, ithombe zaka AKA, and we understand ukuthi shem DJ Bongs, we understand but Meta Bongs, we understand but like umuntu masaka ex guys, ex. They did you bad. There's no need to act as if now nishadile, you're now a widower. Like, don't do too much. Don't do too much. Just stay on your boundaries. Pelele lapho. And Ulerato had to hop on at see Grace allegedly makapostali post because Grace cloud chase. And sonke sabona lokho vele ukuthi ayibo girl, okay fine, umfana uceda ukushona thina sithi mhlawumbe ushonelwe i-family member or stuff. No, uGrace apostele post athi ilava impilo yakhe ishonile. Like, oh hi guys, all this is so confusing guys. What are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.